is a very, very slick and dangerous scam that landed right on my phone just a little while ago. Now, if you follow me over on Curated Conversation, you know I spend a lot of time breaking down product safety issues and major recalls to keep your home safe. But today, the threat is digital, and the scammers are getting incredibly clever at mimicking the brands that we trust the most. This time, they are coming after Apple users with a fake Apple Pay security alert. They want you to think your account has been compromised, so you panic, let your guard down, and hand over your financial details. I didn't fall for it, but it looked so authentic at first glance that I knew I had to hit pause, take screenshots, and break this down for you step by step. I am going to show you the exact text I received, the hidden red flags that instantly give it away, and a major trap at the bottom of the screen that you never want to press. Let me show you my screen so I can show you exactly what to look out for. Come with me, I'll show you what to do. Okay, so what we are looking at right here is the actual notification that came to me on my phone in the form of a text message. Now, at the very top, you can see it says Apple Pay notification. Now, I'm going to read this entire text message because I want to make sure that if you can't actually see it on the screen, I'm telling you exactly what it says. So it goes on to say, right up under Apple Pay notification, our system noticed a $143.95 payment attempt at Apple Store. In parentheses, it has CA. And what the CA stands for, I have no clue unless it's supposed to be California. That was my first clue because I haven't been in an Apple store, okay? So it goes on to say, attempt at Apple Store, CA in parentheses, that doesn't match your usual activity. So we placed a temporary restriction on it. Now they're saying they did this because it doesn't match my activity. It goes on to say, this prevents the charge from going through unless we confirm it's valid. Now at this point, it tells me they really don't care if you confirm it's valid or not. They need some type of confirmation from you. Okay, so let's go on to the second half of the text message. Now then it goes on to say, if this matches your purchase, no further steps are needed. Now they know. Automatically they know it doesn't match it. That's the gimmick right there. That's the scam right there. If this matches your purchase, no further steps are needed. They already know it doesn't match, so they know you're going to take the next step. If not, please reach Apple support at 1-888-337-7930 to verify your information and keep your account safe. Again, they have the number at the bottom. Apple support at 1-888-337-7930. Now keep in mind, I'm reading you the text from my personal cell phone, okay? So me being who I am, pay close attention to this next screenshot. Look at the very top. I clicked on details at the very top where it should have a telephone number. But look at what it actually says. If you want to try to read it, it's like Dimmercali. I have no clue. But it's UMMUHAN.DEMIRCALI Okay? What the heck is that? First of all, Apple is not going to use a Gmail account. And if they did, it surely wouldn't be a random string of letters. So now look at this one. This is a total screenshot of the entire text message. You can see at the top the random numbers. You see the actual text message. Now we're going to go down towards the bottom because this is where you really need to pay attention. This is where when you share this out, you need to make everyone aware of this part of the text message. This right here, reply stop to opt out. Do not touch that button. Please, people, don't touch that button. Because at that point, you are replying to them. At that point, this is where the back and forth starts. This is where them taking over your financial data starts. Do not reply to them under any circumstances, okay? Do not hit that button. It says reply stop to opt out. That is not what you want to do, but this is what you need to do. Down at the very bottom of every single text message you get that looks like spam or something, now this is the message from the real Apple Corporation. This is what you want to hit. It says, if you did not expect this message from an unknown sender, well, a random string of letters from a Gmail account is surely something that we would not expect, and it would be from a unknown sender. Again, it says, if you did not expect this message from an unknown sender, it may be spam. Report spam. That is what you want to hit. All right. It's going to block that particular Gmail number, wherever it's coming from. It's going to block it, and then you can go and delete it. Now, it really is that simple to spot once you know what you're looking for. But if you're rushing through your day, it's so easy to accidentally click. Remember, big tech companies in general, like Apple, they are never going to text you from a Gmail account. And they aren't going to ask you to call a random 888 or 800 number or any number to secure your bank card. They have no authority over your bank card. If you get a text like this, do not reply, do not call, and whatever you do, don't click stop. Just look for that native report spam option at the bottom of your screen. Block the sender and delete it. Please take a second to share this video with your family, your friends, and everyone you know, and especially anyone in your life who might panic when they see something like this, when they see a fake charge like this. All right? Hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know about your grocery store spying on you, take a look at this video on the screen right now.